In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cash into your GCash account. By the end, you'll feel confident moving money into your wallet quickly and safely. First, open the GCash app on your phone. Make sure you're connected to a stable internet network and that your app is up to date, so the screens you see match what I'm describing. Once you're on the GCash home screen, look for the Cash In option. It's usually front and center on the dashboard. Tap Cash In to begin. You'll now see several ways to add funds. GCash organizes these into categories like over-the-counter, local banks, and global banks. Over-the-counter covers partner outlets where you can physically deposit cash. Local banks includes banks based in your country that support online transfers or InstaPay-style deposits. Global banks is where you'll find international options that connect to services outside your local banking system. For this walkthrough, we'll go to Global Banks and choose PayPal. Tap Global Banks, then select PayPal from the list. If your PayPal account is already linked to GCash, you'll go straight to the amount screen. If not, your app may prompt you to link first. Just follow the on-screen instructions securely within the app. Next, enter the amount you want to cash in. Type carefully and double-check the figure before continuing. If your PayPal balance is in a different currency, keep in mind that conversion rates and any applicable fees will be shown or factored in by the service. Always review any notes on screen about minimum or maximum amounts and processing times. Before proceeding, make sure your PayPal balance has sufficient funds to cover the amount you entered. If the balance is short, the transfer won't go through. It's also a good idea to keep your phone awake and avoid switching apps while the process is in progress. When you're ready, tap Next and follow the prompts that appear on your screen. You may be asked to confirm the transfer details. Read everything carefully and only proceed if the amount and source look correct. For your security, never share one-time passwords or any sensitive information with anyone. All confirmations should be entered directly in the app. After confirming, wait for the success message. You should see your GCash balance update shortly. If you don't see it right away, give it a moment and refresh your balance. That's it. Your cash-in is complete.